Alright, here's a quick tutorial on how to work with getting stuff from Sketchup to getting it to layout for printing. So first of all, we opened up layout, so we went here and typed in layout. You don't actually have to have SketchUp open at all, so we're just in layout. Yours comes up with a blank white screen. You need to go File, New from Template. It's about right here. And then it says Title Blocks. We want to go to Traditional. And I want to go to Letter Landscape and hit Open. So here's the beginning of our piece. This is called the title block, that gives us a little bit of information, and this is what we're going to use. Page description, this is where we want to put the project. So this one's actually the jewelry project, but it could be any of the other ones. Project title right here, you want to put your name. And then your hour number. So we have this part done. We're ready with our piece of paper here. Next thing I have to do is go over and look in the default tray here. Yours might not be open, so you might have to go to Window, Show Tray. And then I have SketchUp Model on and Text Style on. The rest of them turned off. I actually want to turn on Pages as well. So I have 3 of them open. You don't have to have all, you can have more open if you want, but that's how you get these open. So the first one I want to do is the Pages here. I want to go to the cover page and hit this minus, because I don't need that cover page. Inside page right here is the one page that we're going to be working on. Now we need to get our model on. File, Insert, and I'm going to go pick up my SketchUp model. I know mine is on my desktop. And we can pick up this SketchUp model here. And hit Open. When it first comes in, it's not set up to the right size or scale. So this is where we turn on SketchUp Model. First few things we do. On the View tab here, Scenes doesn't matter. If you can't see your piece like this, you'll have to stretch this window out until you can find your actual piece. Okay? Standard View's top, it should say there. And then current scale, I need to change this to say full size. Now, whatever it prints out at, it actually is that size when it prints. Then I can shrink this window down by grabbing these little arrows right here and shrink them down. So it's right around this. And now this is a full size model right here. I'm going to switch over to styles for a second and uncheck background. And you can see what that just did. It took the background off and it's just my metal piece. Okay? If I need to make a copy of this, I can just highlight it and go Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. And it spins for a little bit and doesn't look like it does much, but it actually did make a copy. If I just go on here and I can just slide this over and I can make my copy. Edit, Paste again. And I can slide it over and make my copies. And I can make this as many times as I want to. Done with it. File, Print. You're going to find RMS Tech Lab on Roger's Data, and then hit Print, and it should come out. And that's how you complete getting this set up, your project set up on layout. Doesn't matter what kind of project it is, it's all the same process. Good luck, and ask questions if you have any.